Alright, hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to use VideoProc AI to enhance our videos and our images. So VideoProc AI is a very powerful and wonderful tool that you can use to actually enhance and upscale your images to maybe 2x, 3x in terms of quality and even in terms of the resolution as well, the sizes and so on. So let's start from the beginning by learning how to access and download, possibly to install the VideoProc software on our system. You can do that from the link I provided in the description of this video. Alternatively, you can come to your browser. You can just go ahead and type in Google and then you can search for VideoProc just like so and hit on enter. You see it over here. It's a one-stop AI media enhancing and processing solution. So you can just click on the first option. Alternatively, you can just come to videoproc.com and it will bring you over here. This is a VideoProc Converter AI, a one-stop video enhancer and converter. So you can see it has a lot of features and you can go ahead and just download on your own. You can see examples of how it is being done, what enhancement it is bringing, what quality it is bringing to the table. With just one click, it can enhance your video and it can enhance your images as well. Take a look at this. The enhancement is superb and it brought in the detail of the picture. So you can download whether you are on Mac operating system or on Windows. For my own case, it has identified that I'm on Mac. If you're on Windows, it is going to identify the same. So you can just go ahead and click to download and install it. Downloading is free. Installation is very easy as well, just like the way you do install your normal software. So once you install, you can go ahead and open. I've downloaded and installed mine. So let me show you how it is being done. So you can see it from my launch pad over here. VideoProc Converter AI, so you can just click and it is going to open. So right now we have a lot of features on this VideoProc Converter. We have the super resolution, the frame interpolation, the image AI, the video converter as well, DVD and downloader, as well as the recorder. So you can choose which one to pay attention to use, but they are very easy to use. For this tutorial, we're just going to concentrate on two things: the super resolution as well as the image AI, to test how we can improve the resolution of videos as well as images. So let's start with the first option, super resolution, and it will bring you over here. So to add media, you have 4 steps: drag and drop the file, or just click on this add video button to bring in a video into this. You can click on this to bring a video. The second step is to choose scale to set the target resolution, and then the third is to drag the knob to set the cut time position. Okay, and then the last is to click run button to start processing it. So let's say we have one of my videos that I just downloaded. Let's say it's here, child in low quality. We can just drag and drop it in here, and you can see within just one click it has imported it, and we have the enhancement auto starts, and you can disable that if you want. Well, at the beginning you can disable the auto start, and you can do that when you import the video. So once you import, you can notice it has quickly enhanced it. You can upscale to 2x, 3x, 4x, starting with the model. At the beginning, you have to choose the model. For this video, it's using Gen Detail V3, that's the model. And then the quality, you have high quality mode. If you like, you can go with fast mode, but I always like to keep it at quality mode because it gives in superb resolution. Okay. And then down here, you have the model settings. This is where you put in the scale. You want to improve it by 2x, 3x, or 4x, depending on you. Whichever one you choose, you can choose to upscale it to that. And within some seconds, you will be able to see it has upscaled it. So you can view it right now. This is the original, this is the preview, and then this is for double view. If you want to have it in one view, you can click and then you will be able to see the before. This is the before and this is the after the enhancement, and you can see that the difference is very clear. You can see it. Let me show the before again. This is after. Okay, so you can see the resolution has greatly improved. You can do that with multiple videos. If you have any other video, you can bring in as well into the timeline, and you can do the same, and then once you're done, you can just export. Now you can check out the export settings as well. Over here, the video codec is usually H.264, and the quality level, you can set it to high. DOP, you can leave it to 30. If you have a specific folder or location where you want to put in the output, you can always click here to define where you want to save the results. So in my own case, I want to save it here, or you can name a folder and call it output. Okay, output. and then everything is going to come over here. So once you have everything the way you want it, and come down here, that's if you want to use scaling. If you want to use resolution, you can use resolution as well, and it is going to enhance the resolution with just that click. Or you can go to enhance video just by 1x, which is okay depending on your choice. You can choose the resolution that you want. You want it to go to 4K or thereabout, you can choose accordingly. But for my own case, I want to go to scaling and I want to keep it at 4x, and I think it produces a wonderful quality. So once I'm done with this, I can come over here, click on run, and just a matter of seconds it is going to output this into that particular folder that I have just specified, so we can have the results of what we have just improved. Alright, so that is how it is being done for a video. So let's try to do the same to enhance an image. So we can come over here to come to image AI. You can click on this. And then the next thing is to drag and drop the image, or we can click on this plus sign again to navigate to wherever we have the image and just bring it in. So let's say I have my own images somewhere here. Let's say I have these two. All right, I can select them and can just drag and drop them into the software. Now the two images that I have, I can actually work on them very easily from here. So in each case, you may remove the auto enhancement if you want to reduce it, or remove it entirely if you want to. So you can see this is an old archive picture. Let's have the view to be on one view so we can be able to see the before and the after very easily. All right, so take a look at the before. So take a look at the before, and this is the after. It's been enhanced, but if you want to see the clarity more, you can go to 4x. All right, so you can see it's been enhanced. This is the before and this is the after. You can see the clarity. Actually, it's been greatly enhanced. So this is the first option. This is an aged photo that has been enhanced. Let's look at this as well. This photo is kind of very blurry and we want to enhance it to a better quality. So you can select the Gen D. This is automatic also. Of course, you can remove the auto start the next time by just unchecking this. So next time it will not start automatic. So for this, I'm going for 4x also. So let's go to 4x and let's see. And I think this is equally fantastic. So let's take a look at the before. This is highly blurry, very low quality. And let's look at the one that's the output. You can see it has greatly enhanced the image perfectly. You can see the difference. That's the power of this VideoProc Converter AI. And then down here, you can play around with the resolution, or if you want to just enhance it, you can enhance it directly from here. And if you want to do face restoration, you can do that as well. And then once you're done, you like what you see, you can just go ahead, come over here and export it. So you can specify the export settings as well, like we've explained. In this case, I want to pick PNG. We can go to JPEG and then increase the level, the quality. I keep it at default to 3 dpi. I keep everything at default. And then the location, I want to keep it at the other location that we've defined earlier. And then you can just come over and say run. And this is going to take some seconds to just export the output that we have. If you want, you can change what it does after completing the exporting. You can shut down the system, or you can just show the output folder when the conversion is complete. So let's just give it some seconds to see what it is going to bring for us. So it's enhancing the second one. All right, so you can see that this is the result of the images that had been enhanced in the two cases. It has just saved it inside this together with the video that we have. So please go ahead and explore and see what you can do with this very simple software. To check the link in the description to have access to it and download and install on your system, and go ahead and enhance your video and images. Okay, so this concludes this simple tutorial about the use of VideoProc AI converter to convert your videos and images into greater quality. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.